let's say new order. So let's say every time you get a new order, you want it to give you a you want to give you a webhook. So we've selected here. You want to sign into your account, pick all of that stuff. Now for action, let's say Discord. Sends channel message. So every time you get a new order, it's going to send a channel message. You can click continue. We'll sign into Discord. So now it's going to ask you what channel. So you can go general, message. So the message you can click. If you click on here, it's going to allow you to add the data from the order into here. I haven't signed this up. I haven't connected this, but you can click that. It will be able to, you can select the message of like new order, and then the order number, whatever. Who do you want it to mention? Text to speech, whatever. Bot name, you can change the name of the bot. You can do all that basically. Hit continue and then publish it, and basically now every time someone makes an order on your website, you can publish it. You can send a webhook to Discord and it will pop up. So thank you for watching the video. If you found it useful, please like, subscribe and comment down below that it worked. Thanks for watching.